Good morning, everyone. Well, it's good afternoon. It's April the 7th, 2026. And local Eastern time is 1:54 p.m. Placed 2 NQs, June 26 short. And right now, as you see, that so far is 2300 plus and counting. How long should I stay in this here? Yesterday I had a rough day, didn't get to have this thing done for YouTube, and today I said, okay, place the right trade and see yesterday what I hit myself with would recover that. So here we are. It has to be at some point. The trade needs to be closed so that we have a happy return. And let's put up this here and see where we are at right now. It's showing 3,170 plus counting. If I can, let's say, make here about minimum of 4,000, will be happy. And we go on from there to the next level. We're just about very close to, if we are not stopped, continue to make our dough. So here we are. I'm hoping that this is a good, I would say, a $6,000 trade. So right now we are at 37.30 and counting chickens. It's just like that. I mean, when it's a good trade, it makes you happy, and you can take some money to the bank. So we are down from 3,700 to 3,400. Am I leery that this will not translate into 4,000? Right now, I'm very confident that it will yield more than that. But about 4,000, I would say it would be a good day today, and should be contented with that. So let's hope that I make at least 4 in here if I can. Right now it's taking a bite into that money, which I don't appreciate. Would it continue to hit me and down to 3,000 from 3,700 and even going below? Should I get panicked here? Absolutely not, because I'm very confident that this will translate into minimum of 4,000. How long will it take? Don't know, but I know that in this trade I've been here for at least a good 10 minutes already, and counting the chump change. It's looking good at the moment. It has taken a reversal though, but this is how trading is. It's up and down and back up and back down. So continue to trade. Is it going in the wrong direction? It appears so. Alright, how far it will go down? I see that I'm almost that $1,000, which looked pretty good. As it reverses course, it is taking that turn though. Would it translate into less than 4,000? I hope not. I am still in the trade and confident that it will make the 4,000 I am anticipating. So I'm going to stay in the trade until that happens. So we are back up to 3, we were down to 2. Are we going in the right direction? Hopefully yes. Right now it is it in the consolidated stage, or is it kicking back up, going north, which is not encouraging for me? We're down from 3 back into 2500 plus category. The marker for this particular trade, which I don't want to let up on my enthusiasm, which is collecting at least $4,000 out of this sale. Let's hope it does happen. At the moment, it's not encouraging. And has it taken the turn again? Turn again for the better, meaning saying going south again. There are two NQs in play, which means that I put in 2000, and if you look at it technically, right now if I stop the trade, I'll be 3000 in the green. So 4000 is my target. The closest it got was earlier at about 3700. Would it continue to flow in that direction? Very encouraging for me. And how much time we have? We have plenty of time. We have still 1 hour for New York trade to close. Now it is not encouraging. It is not encouraging at the moment. Should I take my 3000 and then wait for my $1,000 to turn up later? That's one way to look at it. I'm still debating that is 3000 a good target for now, or should I stay in this for 4? We are back into 3000 plus, and it is taking a bite. It's flowing in the other direction again rapidly. Is it what it is? I don't like it. Should I close the trade here and say that, okay, you made, it is climbing fast. It is climbing fast. It seems like it's knocking the wind out of my sails here. Am I concerned? Yes, I am. I have to make a decision here to go home and be happy. It is flowing in that direction I don't want. I have a buy stop over there, which it will stop from the trade. Is it going to go where I want it to go? Is it making that turn? Is 3000 good enough from this trade? I may have another opportunity at it to take 3000 and forget the 4000, right? Well, let's see here. It went down below even 2. So we are at about 2300 plus. Although it should go, still hold true for a $4,000 trade. looks like it may head my way again. Although the buyers are not letting up, but the sellers are pushing it back down. Is it encouraging for me? Yes, at the moment it appears that the sellers will get an upper hand on this here. Alright, we're getting close to back into the 3000 territory. There we go. Where are we at? Well, we touched the 3000. Should be hanging there. Absolutely yes or no. It's a battle. It is a battle. Are we back into the 3000 range? Yes, we are. Oh, would it touch this time? Last time it went as high as 3700. Would this be a 4000 click here? And if it does the 4000, I think I'm good for the day. Do we have that opportunity here to make a 4 here? 3 is definitely for now. So it appears. I'm continuously calculating here, see if it is worth waiting for 4. Now it should be a 4000 easy. Alright, we'll close the books at 4 and we'll not get greedy. Right? It says little ways to travel. We are back up at 33. And if we get a big push here by the sellers, I'll hit that's 3500. Last time we were up at 37. So how are we doing here? Still encouraging? Yes, it is. And I know a good push of sellers will do the trick. So take the 4000 and run. Alright, we are back up to 3400 plus. 2 NQs, June 26 in play. Oops, it went back from 36. That's why you have to put a stop loss on it. And it took out that 1500. We were at 3000. Wow, that happens. That is why you have to have a stop loss. Thank God it didn't go that far up. Otherwise it would have taken away that 1500 which we have already made. So should I place a second trade and get my another 1500? See, if you look at this, we were right here, and look at the bounce. It went up and took out. So sometimes the market can turn against you very quickly, and you saw it just happen. Alright, well, let's call it a day here. Is there another opportunity to make 1500? I guess so. But I'll stop here for now. Thanks. See you another time.